Hi, so today I'm gonna teach you a trick on how to quickly multiply a number with even-numbered multiplicands by the multiplier 6. Some of you probably have memorized the multiplication table of 6 when you were kids, and it is quite easy to remember. 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, and so on and so forth. Single-digit multiplicands and multiples of tens are easy, but what if I gave you this number? 48,062 times 6. That's a 5-digit multiplicand. You either need to use a calculator to solve it quickly or use the longhand method. I'll show you a mental math trick today to solve this problem, which involves having a number neighbor and addition. So, we have the numbers 4, 8, 0, 6, and 2 multiplied by 6. But first, we're going to put an extra 0 beside the highest placement value of this number. Always put a placeholder 0 to any number you're going to multiply with this trick. This is important. By highest placement value, I mean ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. This number has the highest place value in this 5-digit number, and so the 0 goes beside it. It's going to be a placeholder for when we multiply the last digit later. Next, we're going to talk about number neighbors. Number neighbor is the digit on the right side of the number. We're going to have it and then add it to the number, and thus we get the answer. Like this. This number 0, its number neighbor is 4, whose number neighbor is 8, and whose number neighbor is 0. But if you look at the first number, the number 2, it doesn't have a number neighbor. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to bring it down. There. Next, we look at the number beside it, the number 6. Its number neighbor is the number 2. We are going to half this and add it to 6. What is the half of 2? It's 1. So 1 plus 6 is 7. Next is the number 0. Its number neighbor is 6. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. We add this half to 0 and we get 3. Now, number 8's number neighbor is 0. What do we get when we have this number? 0 divided by any number is still 0. So 8 plus 0 is 8. Just bring it down. Then we have number 4. Beside it is number 8. We have this too. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. We add it to 4 and we get 8. Lastly, we have the placeholder 0 whose number neighbor is 4, the half of which is 2. And if we add that to 0, we're gonna get the number 2. The final answer is 288,372. You can check to verify it's correct. See? It's easy, right? All you need is practice and you'll get the hang of it. Now, if you notice, all these numbers are even. This method will only work for multiplier 6 with even number multiplicands. If you try it with multiplier 5 or 7, it won't work. There's a different trick for that. Also, there's an additional trick if your multiplicand is with odd numbers. Check out the other videos in our channel to learn more about that. Visit our site mathemagic.fun to find more math magic tips and tricks in solving other math problems. We'll put the link in the description box and see you there. Bye!